Hey guys, welcome back to NanBop Farm. Here we are out in our pasture that I mowed about 4 days ago, and I thought I'd bring you guys along and talk to you about soil fertility and maintaining your pastures and why all that stuff is important. So here we have a little demonstration of what this whole field looks like. So you'll see behind me there's strips of brown, and then on either side there's green. So basically what we have here that's still standing is invasive weeds. So this is a spotted knapweed. And basically when you see invasive weeds in your fields or lawn or things like that, it's usually a sign of poor soil nutrition. So what we want to be looking out for is all the different invasive weeds, all the kind of diversity we have in our field. By cutting that, we have made it so that the little weeds and grasses that are below the plant matter that we just mowed actually has a chance to see the sunlight, get more water, and actually be able to grow better. So here we have different grasses, we have little dandelions, different thistles, which isn't necessarily a sign of great nutrition, but it's giving us more biodiversity. So in these pastures, weeds aren't really a thing, right? So as long as we have something for animals to graze on and be able to convert all of those nutrients into something that we can actually consume as humans, such as meat, cheeses, milks, things like that, it's not really considered a weed. We have grass clippings here that are just gonna sit here and decompose on top of the soil. And basically by doing that, we are essentially leaving a layer of compost on top of this field to add more organic matter to this soil. So we have a pretty sandy soil, and it's pretty easy to grab any of this soil and see that there's not a lot of water holding capacity into this soil. So by adding more organic matter, adding all of this grass and just letting it slowly decompose, we're adding nutrition, we're adding different things to the soil to make it so that we can grow better crops in here. We can have better water holding capacity. We're not going to be growing on this field for a while, but we want to start adding nutrition and taking care of this now so that maybe in 5 years down the road when we do use this field, we have plenty to work with and it'll be ready for us to actually use it. That's pretty much what we've got going on right now at NanBop, but check us back next week for more, or check us out on social media for more of what we're doing throughout the week. We'd love to see you back.